I get it, you're new to weightlifting and you don't know where to get started, so I'm going to do my best to cover all the basics. Let's go ahead and get started. So if you stumbled upon this channel, it is because you are trying to get started in weightlifting. It doesn't matter where you look. There's a ton of social media superstars, YouTube, Instagrammers, personal trainers. Everybody's going to try to walk you down the path in the program they're selling or that they think is best. And honestly, getting started is really quite simple. It doesn't matter if you're working out in a gym or at home, which I work out at home every day. I'm going to break it down to the basics of what is called a push, pull, and legs routine. And what does that mean? Well, we'll jump right in and I'll show you. So every expert that you see or you look up is going to tell you that the push, pull, leg split is one of the most basic routines that you can start with. But I can understand that if you're new to it, you don't understand what that means. So we're going to start with the push routine. So when it comes to creating a push routine, I want you to imagine doing a push-up. What's being worked when you do a push-up? Well, it's your chest, your triceps, and the front part of your shoulders. So if you don't want to go on and try to find your own routine or look up push routines, you can design your own by simply knowing the muscle groups that are going to be worked. You can create a chest workout with a tricep and shoulder accessory. You could go shoulder focus one day and then finish off with chest. But as long as you're working all your push muscles together, you can develop a really good, strong push routine. So after you have your push routine figured out, you got to figure out a pull routine. Well, what's the best exercise that you can figure out that works all your pulling muscles? It is literally a pull-up. When you do a pull-up, it engages your back, your traps, your lats, your biceps. Everything gets moved in what is a pulling muscle group motion. So pair them together. When you're working your back muscles, you can finish with your biceps and the rear part of your shoulders. You could even go arm heavy and do a bicep focus with the rear part of your shoulders and a back finisher. Anything that works the pulling muscle groups or that pulling motion can be used in a pull routine. I hope that helps. Now legs, obviously it's everything from the hip down. But if you don't know how to break that down and how you should be doing it, well, the simplest leg routine is quads, hamstrings, and calves. Don't neglect any of them in your leg days, or because there's 7 days in a week, and if you're going to do that routine, that means you're going to have 2 leg days in a week. You could go quads and calves in one, and then hamstrings and calves in another, or strictly, hit all 3 muscle groups at once. It doesn't matter. The legs are your choice. Just don't neglect the heavy compound movements and the accessory movements at the same time. What do I mean when I say that? Well, a heavy compound movement is your squat. So you see what gets worked in a squat, and it doesn't matter what squat you're doing, whether it's the barbell squat, the goblet squat, the front squat, the overhead squat. There's so many different variations of the squat that they should be the base of every one of your leg days. For your hamstrings, if you don't have a hamstring curl machine or you don't have anything available, straight leg deadlifts are a great hamstring exercise, body weight curls, all those. And calves, there's not really much you can do with them to train them, but there are still plenty of videos out there for you to do it. Just never neglect or don't skip leg day so your body stays proportionate. So I tried to keep it short and sweet. That's really all there is to breaking the push-pull leg routine split. If you need ideas, go ahead and follow me on Instagram where I post my home workouts daily. I'll leave my handle right here. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm trying to do the best that I can to help beginners out. I know there's so many other influencers out there, but we all have to start somewhere. So it's like you're getting started with your fitness journey. I'm trying to start with mine, helping people on their fitness journey. I am an ISSA certified personal trainer. I don't want you to think that I'm just throwing things out there and I don't know what I'm talking about. There's so many of us. But if you happen to find this channel and you enjoy it, please smash that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if there's any videos I can make for you. Till then, stay fit, stay focused. We'll see you on the next one. So you're new to weightlifting, you don't... We did that in 2 fucking seconds.